Ni kiharo-ini kinene gia Kasarani thiku imwe tu mbere ya igongona ria kwihitithio kwa President muthure thirikari William Ruto ta President wa gatano wa bururi wa Kenya. Na Mehaririria ma muthia nimo mararikirira na gutigirira maundu mothe ni mahariririo na gikiro kiria gibatie aini na aria marahaririria maundu matiganite magitigirira ati gutiri undu no mwoka fasha. Murugamiri wa aruti wira thirikari Joseph Kinyua hamwe na atongoria angi ni megwikinyitie kiharo-ini giki kunyabara uria mibango ino iratwarithio na mbere. Kinyua akiuga muthi wa keri andu aria magoka kiharo-ini giki mabatie gukorwo maikarite thi gugikinyeria thaa 2 cia rucini.
People are required to arrive very early. By 8 people should have arrived because the function itself seated. Because the function itself will start at 10, and to enable and ensure everything moves as per the schedule, constitutionally we are even limited. We cannot go beyond 2 p.m.
Na kuona ni kuratanywo a Kenya ni magekinya na njira nene undu matangiiganira kiharo-ini giki. Kinyua ugite magakorwo na handu mahaririirio ha kwirorera igongona riri. Nao maabitha ugitiri ni mareire mitaratara ya uria makaromboyania na muthianiriro wa ngari barabara-ini nene ya Thika Superhighway.
We have facilities that will be put outside the main field, from where they can be able to see what is going on. Others will be able to view from their counties and homes from the television. Appealing to the Kenyans to ensure we have peaceful function in terms of us not again allowing any commotion which can happen when you have a too large population coming. Of course, traffic disruption may occur, but our security people who manage the traffic are making all the necessary arrangements to ensure that even if we have any hiccups, they are minimized.
Na gukinyeria riu ma president mirongo iria kuma mabururi mangi nio maugite ni magekinya igongona-ini riri guku nake President wa America Joe Biden agituma maabitha 5 a ngathi ya iguru thirikari-ini ya America gukarugamirira bururi wa America hindi ya igongona riri ria kwihitithia President muthure thirikari William Ruto.
The heads of state that have confirmed, which is very encouraging for us, is 20. And that is indeed something we really appreciate, and that is why I would even request our Kenyan people to demonstrate to the rest of the world we are a people who belong to the first world by ensuring we don't have such dignitaries coming and us being seen to be a people who do not seem to fit that category.
Mehaririria ma muthia ma igongona ria kwihitithio gwa President muthure thirikari William Ruto nimo mararikirira riu na a Kenya makiria ma 60,000 nio matanyitwo gugekinya igongona-ini riri oro udumwe na President 20 akuma mabururi mangi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kiharo-ini kinene gia Kasarani ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.